You took my cake.
The sales taxes.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Okay, I hope you got those two answers down. If you
I
didn't, okay, I'm sorry. You three were sitting here headbanging.
I got it.
15.5%.
Can't help you. You'll have to redo it on your own.
15.
Sit down and work it. That's not the answer.
Oh.
That's not either of the answers.
Problem 38. Shh, we're almost out of time. The retail price of a suit was $719. It was reduced or discounted 33%. Then later, an additional 76%. What was the price after both reductions? We're gonna call this the final price. And then what was the total percent reduction of the original price? So we've got to find two things.
So uncomfortable.
Shh. First of all, what's my discount formula?
Discount. for-
Tells me retail price minus discount will give me my sale price. But how do I find the discount amount? I have to say retail price times the discount rate, correct? This thing's going on sale twice though. So the first thing I do is say $719 times 33%. How much is it discounted first time around?
$237.27.
$237.27, don't you said? Okay.
Yes.
So what's the sale price after that discount?
500. I forgot what I have on my calculator.
$481.73. That's after the first discount. Now,
Yeah.
that's the new price of this item, and it's going on sale again
67%.
for a 76% discount.
It
Yeah.
says 67 in our book.
67, not 76?
It says, let me see.
It says 67.
Yeah, you're right.
It says 67, yeah. I used 76,
Okay.
that's why I got it wrong.
So 481.73 times 67%. This time it's going to be discounted $322.76. So 481.73 minus this large discount
I like this
means
suit.
now
It's
this.
$158.97.
What kind of suit?
Now I need to figure out what percent this is of the original price.
Is it like a diamond suit if it costs 700 and
So I say
$158.97?
158.97.
I mean,
719 divided by 158.97.
$158.97 divided by 719.
Yeah.
22%.
I am paying 22.1% of the original price. So how much has been discounted? 77.9% was reduced off the original price.
awesome.
This was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 step problem.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
And
know.
you'll probably have some like this on your test. If I had written the test, no, but I didn't write the test. We're moving to problem 40.
We're good.
We do.
These problems are the devil.
Determine the total amount Victor must repay if he borrows $8,000 at 5% interest
He's borrowing for the long
for
term
3 years.
of his life.
What's our formula? for this word problem?
Interest equals principal times rate times time.
Very good. Interest equals principal times rate times time. The amount he borrows is the principal, the rate is 5%, the time is 3 years.
$1,400?
That's what his interest is, but what did the question ask? How much does Victor have to repay? Victor has to repay the $8,000 he borrowed
Less than
plus the
1,200?
interest.
9,200.
Victor will repay $9,200. Blake, all you're doing is writing down the answers after I've worked the problems.
Yeah.
The test will be tomorrow, and it will be a test.
No, Dirt's gonna be a test. This stuff is.
Julie drives 120 miles from Greenup to Newton at 46 miles an hour, while Beth drives from Newton to Greenup at 34 miles per hour. We have Julie and Beth driving toward each other.
This is a opposite direction. No, it's not.
Yeah, no, it's.
They both drive 120 miles,
It's a round trip problem.
and Julie was driving at 46 miles an hour. Beth was driving at 34 miles an hour.
It is motions in it's motion in opposite directions.
How long will it take for them to meet each other if they leave at the same time?
260.
Let's make our chart.
2 billion years.
D1 plus D2 equals N.
I've got
Yeah.
Julie and Beth with their rates and their times. Julie's rate's 46, Beth's rate is 34. And their distance. What do I know about their time?
They take a long time.
How long will it take for them to meet each other if they leave at the same time? So what do I know about their time?
No, it's
They're
the
at
same
the
time, so you
same
don't have to write.
Exact.
I have to put something there.
What were you
Time.
complex?
The
X.
times are
X.
equal.
They're
X,
equal.
U, X.
Correct.
Ooh.
So how do I find distance? I say
Yeah.
rate times time.
On time.
What do I know about the distance relationship in this problem?
Nothing.
For you, yeah. It'll take,
I know that if I take one of their distance and add it to the other, I'm gonna get the whole 120 miles.
Yes.
Correct?
uh-huh.
So, let's say Julie's distance plus Beth's distance equals 120.
It's 34, not 50.